Here are 7 reasons on why your tracks might suck and how to fix it. Number 1, you haven't properly arranged your track. A messy structure can confuse the listener. Plan out your sections to create that flow. Number 2, you don't have a clear goal for the final track. If you don't know what you're aiming for, it's easy to get lost. Make sure you have that vision from the start. Number 3, you haven't prepared properly. Preparation is key. Not being properly prepared before recording can leave your track sounding sloppy. Number 4, your tones might not work with the track. Tones that sound great solo might not sit well in the mix. Choose tones that complement the other elements. Number 5, you haven't checked out my video on how to improve your takes. You'll find tips on how to get cleaner, more polished recordings. Number 6, you've forced or rushed it. Let the track develop naturally. Rushing can kill creativity and quality. And number 7, you haven't checked out Slick Audio PCs. The machines are tailor-made for music production, giving you the power you need for pro-level tracks. Fix these 7 issues and watch your tracks go from weak to awesome. If you don't want to miss out on more pro tips, make sure to subscribe.